Very first video of our tutorial web programming essentials from our company Suvashna. So of course, please if you like to know more about us, please visit our website suvashna.com. My name is Jay, and this is the introduction video. So if you want to jump directly to your classes, then just jump ahead to the next tutorial video. But this is more about what we are going to teach in this course, web programming essentials, and what are the tools that we are using, and what is our training style, and how we plan to teach you, and all that. So we are using a number of tools. Essentially, we have spent some time figuring out what are the different ways we plan to teach our students. Now, originally, a bit of background. Now, originally, what we wanted to do was we wanted to make it so that we actually are from Mysore. Our company is from Mysore. I am from Mysore, and then we shifted to Hyderabad. We set up an office in Mysore. We also set up an office in Hyderabad, and we spent a lot of time and money, building our syllabus, content, everything. And our plan was to set up a classroom here in Hyderabad and then conduct sessions weekly or weekend and things like that. Now, that is what our original plan was, and everything was designed based on that fact. But now, because of the virus, of course, everything is changing, so we had to adapt and all that. And also, I was supposed to have a large team working with me, but now that team is over. That team is really gone. There is no team anymore, so it's just me, which is why everything looks a little bit guerrilla style of training. Okay, so our approach has changed, because for the time being, I think I'll be the only one who will be making these videos. And my plan originally was to record this in a studio. Obviously, I can't go outside the house, so I'm recording this in my home office itself. My original plan was to get the videos edited with some nice graphics and things like that. I was supposed to have a team of people helping me with all that. So everything is over. So all of these things is done by one person, me, for now. And tomorrow, even if I build a team, I don't really know how well that will go. So for now, this is how it's going to be. What you see today in this introduction video is how every video tutorial will be in this series. Tomorrow, if situation improves, then yes, definitely we'll try to make some improvements. Now, in this course, what we are trying to do here is we are trying to teach people. This course is mainly meant for, who is this for? So let me just type that here. Who is this for? So this tutorial is for people. Mainly, we are designing this for students who are pursuing their engineering. Now, that could be BE or BTech. I believe they are both same. In Mysore we call it BE, but I understand a lot of places they call it BTech. Obviously, we are looking at people who are hoping to end up in IT companies and work as software developers. That is what this course is for now. And this course is also useful for anybody who is coming to software development for the first time. So essentially, complete total beginners or freshers, those who know nothing. That is what our target for this video course is. So if you're not in this category, where you are a complete beginner, or you know something and you're looking for advanced programming, this is not the place. Now, of course, we do plan to do advanced programming videos later, but we don't plan to do that right now. Okay, so that means, now what exactly are we going to learn here? Now, we have a number of things here. Now, there are our plan is we plan to use a number of tools and online services to deliver this training. For example, let me go ahead and bring this here. So now you may have heard of this thing called GitHub. That is where we keep all our code. All our code is publicly available. And for example, let me open our, one second, let me just get that here. Yeah, there we go. So what I have here is I have a second monitor here on which I'm opening all the things I want to show you. And so there we go. There you go. This is our public repository. Okay, so our plan here throughout the training in all our videos, what we'll do is whatever code we are trying to teach you, we plan to put that code in this repository called Suvarshna Training Public, and that URL is here. If you look in the description of this video, you'll find these links. So I'm going to put this link here also on the video. So in this URL, all our code will be available. So we plan to use this link, this code, for everything that we want to share with you. So that is the place for those, because many times we see that when you learn from a textbook or another video or something, many times the code is not available for you to just see how it is and copy paste and all that. We encourage you to copy paste, and also all the code we put, it's been tested multiple times, so we know it will work and all that. And we have this system where, for example, if we have this documentation, we write a lot of steps. And you can see here that I've written some explanations here also, that how, because the virus, all our business plans change and everything. So these are the main topics we have put right now in this repository. And this is also what our video will focus on, teaching you the basics of HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. And all the code is available. So if you go inside the folder, for example, Introduction to Web Programming, you'll see that we have a lot of links here. So if I go to HTML, you see that there are a lot of chapters ready for you to use. And we also put notes so that you know what each chapter is all about. And this is a work in progress. This is our chapters. All of them have code ready right now. For example, we have put a lot of things here and everything, but they are not completely ready. So every chapter will tell you the folders which are ready, and then you can see it. But if you're curious, you can go ahead and complete the entire course on your own. All the code is already there on our GitHub repository. So we'll be using this GitHub to teach you all the code, ready and tested. That is one of the main things we are going to be using throughout our training. In every video, you'll always find a link to the code. So without code, we'll avoid making any videos. That is a promise from us. Now, along with GitHub, another thing which we plan to use, obviously, is YouTube. So where we plan to put this video. So right now, if you're watching this video, probably you're watching it on YouTube. So we have our channel. So let me just bring that up on, 1 second. Let me bring that up on the screen. Yeah. There you go. So that is our YouTube channel. So this is where we plan to put all our videos, so you can watch them. We have put some videos here, but these videos we just put a few months ago just to set up our channel and things like that. So this is where we plan to put our videos. So if you're watching this video, you're probably watching it on YouTube already. So that is one thing. Now, second thing is, so YouTube is where we plan to put all of our tutorial videos. Okay. And second thing is, now you also might want some kind of like a flow, some kind of a guidance, like a course in something. Now those things again will be on GitHub. So in GitHub, what we plan to do here is, so if you come to this, this is our course. So we plan to keep updating this page as and when we add chapters, so you know exactly what you're learning in which chapter and so on. So this is like our textbook. It's our online textbook where we'll write a lot of steps and like this, and we'll also put links on other to developer tips and all that, so that you can go ahead and see. This is like our course. So essentially this GitHub will have our code, and it will also have our notes, our plan, our syllabus, and everything. So again, coming back to that's where we plan to put our entire syllabus and notes and everything. Now that takes care of all the things. Now this is where you'll find all the syllabus code. You'll know YouTube is where you can watch our videos, and it's all tested and everything. Now what about interaction? Because at the end of the day, a classroom is about interaction. Now for that, we are depending on some additional tools. Now one thing is, there is this software or app, and we just discovered it today. We had other software we are using. They're called as LMS software. We decided not to use them, Learning Management Systems, LMS, that's what it stands for. So what we did was, we decided to use something called this. So there you go. This is our classroom. Again, this link, we'll put it in the video description, but if you want, you can also type it directly there. So this is our virtual classroom. Now in the virtual classroom, it looks something like this. So here I am the teacher and you're the student. I will go ahead and put my updates like this. So this is an update. Now this update right now, I've just put a simple GIF. But here I can go ahead and put whatever I want. I can update a link, I can update a status message, I can upload a video, anything I want I can update. And you, the student, once you join this virtual classroom, you can reply to it. For example, you see that is me. That's me. You know, for the sake of privacy, I put a emoticon right on my face, but that's a video which I replied from my mobile app. So you can just see this either on your computer, or you can download the app on Android, you can download the app on iPhone, and then you can just join the classroom. Right now the classroom is public, so anybody can join. So you can see my update. So whenever, for example, let's say a chapter is ready, I'll put the chapter here, and then you can reply to it. So this is me replying to myself. So let me click on it.
Hi, testing. I'm just testing this Flipgrid. I'm the trainer who's maintaining this grid, and I thought, okay, what is the best way to use this while still maintaining some.
So there you go. So like that, whenever the classroom, a new chapter is added, a new video is added, a new link is added, whenever something new is added, you can reply and ask questions directly. Now if you don't want to show your face, you can do what I just did. You can put an emoticon, make it really big so your privacy is protected. And you can just ask the question live, and you can do all this directly from your mobile phone. Easy. Alright, and you can add reactions, you can like things, you can not like things. So it's kind of like social media. See, for example, I'll go ahead and like this video.
I'm just testing this Flipgrid.
And if you want, you can also go ahead and play this in different things and so on and so forth.
Okay, what is the best way to.
So it's like a virtual classroom where you can interact not only with me but with other students as well. So this is our virtual classroom, where you can ask questions, and whenever I see a video like this, I can go ahead and I can reply to it, and that's really up to me. As the classroom owner, I can do that. Alright, now what if you want to have lengthy discussions? You want to type, you want to chat, you can't always ask questions in video, or you don't want to use video at all. Okay, so that's also totally alright, that's totally fine. So you want to ask questions. Now for that, what we are doing is we are using Microsoft Teams. So let me just bring that here, Microsoft Teams. So there you go. This is Microsoft Teams. So what I've done here is this is our classroom. This is the official channel for the team. Right now I'm just testing this channel. I've added my wife over there, and so here you can discuss. So that is me, and that is replying. So I can just reply and say hello. So another thing what I can do here is I can go ahead and create a channel. I can say, let's say this is about video 1, today's video. Okay, channel is being created, right? So now what I'm doing is, so there you go. Now, so let's say you have a question about this video and you are part of this Teams. So I'll go and say, let's say I'm a student. Hello Jay, can I have the link for the GitHub repository? There you go, that's it. So now, let's say I also have the Teams on my mobile phone. So I'm going to open my mobile phone now, and I'll log into this. And I see that message, so I'm going to reply to it from my mobile phone right now. There you go. Of course, I'm just replying to myself in 2 different accounts, but you get the idea. So, this is the way we have set up our remote classroom. So we are going to be using Microsoft Teams. So any student who wants to participate in discussions, they can get in touch with us, and you can touch with us. If you want to contact us, you can visit our website, as I told you earlier, or you can email at our address support@suvarshna.com. Let me write that in a second. So contact either the website suvarshna.com or you can email us, and we will go ahead and add you to our Teams group so you can participate in discussions and so on. So this is what our plan is. This is how we plan to run our virtual classroom. So hopefully you will go ahead and like the system. If you like it, then that is good. Okay, so that is the plan. That is how we plan to do this. And so yes, so like I said, if you're watching this video and if you like what we are trying to do here, please join us here on this virtual classroom, flipgrid.com/Suvarshana Web Basic. And then if you want to join our Microsoft Teams discussion forum, then you can get in touch with us through our website, suvarshana.com. Now the website looks something like this. Let me just get that. So this is our website, Suvarshana Training and Development. So you can get in touch with us through the contact details here. Okay, or you can directly email to us at support@suvarshana.com. I'll put all these links in the video description, so if you want to join us. So that's what we are planning to do. So thank you for watching the video, and we'll start updating our classroom, virtual classroom, as and when more videos are updated. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.